Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore some of the cool functions of our Roof Wizard software. What I'd like to look at today is the ability to turn stuff on and off. And as you create a model and you start adding components to the 3D model, it gets pretty busy pretty quickly. And so if you can control what's displayed, it helps a great deal when you're trying to figure out whether it's all right or not. So in this instance, the first thing that looks really busy, I've modeled it and it all looks pretty good. What you can do there, going from the Construct Roof menu, you can turn the image off or on. So if I've checked it and I'm happy, just turn it off. Now that doesn't delete it, that just turns it off, so if you want it back, you can bring it back at any time. But straight away, everything looks nice and clean. In a similar way, if we go to the check menu, there's a whole bunch of tools there under Tools, Set Display, where you can turn all the other stuff that we've put into this model, we can turn that all on or off. So for example, I might want to see all the dimensions that I've put on the roof, and we hit OK, and all the dimensions appear. In fact, let's just turn everything on, and you'll see how busy, whoa, it's getting busy now. And if we go back and turn our image on, you'll see now I can't check anything, I'm just totally confused. So the ability to control what's displayed is pretty important to you verifying your job as you do it. So let's say I just want to look at the dimensions, so I'll turn the panel layout off, I might turn the walls off, and I might just leave the dimensions. So we hit OK, and all we've got now is dimensions. And you check those, yep, they're all OK. I might turn them off and turn the flashing details on. And there we go with those. Or I might say, let's turn off the flashings and turn on the panel layout so I can see what roof sheets I need for the roof. So under Set Display, you can control a whole bunch of stuff. And if we go into the isometric view and we turn the walls on, you'll see that in this job I've actually done the walls as well. So you can see how easy it is to control what you're doing with a model at any time. And you go, well, that's pretty stupid without the panel layout, so I'll turn them off too. There we go. So really simple, and you've got total control. It's all in your hands. And you'll notice that the turning stuff on and off you can control by first and second, and if you've got more floors in this building, up to 10 stories, you can control what's displayed for all of it. So that's about it for Feature Friday for today. Enjoy, and any questions, always send us an email and we'll take care of business. So have a great weekend, and we'll see you Feature Friday next week. Bye for now.